Kia ora everybody, well, kia ora, kia orana, talofa, pula, etc, etc. Guess what? I'm doing the cooking again. Due to popular demand, nah. So today, I'll try and cook curry, lamb curry, flaps, lamb curry. So these are my ingredients: lamb flaps, carrots, potato, beans, what else? Coriander, salt and pepper, and the flying garlic. First is the meat. I like to prep the meat and put it on the stove and have it going while I finish off the rest. Bite size. I'm good. Only my mate is a bit sick at the moment again, but this time it's a hip. I had the same problem before, that's why I finished off work. I think I was getting old. So, and the hips are gone. And she got the same one, same problem. Her hips is hurting. So, yep. She can have a rest and I don't mind cooking. Now that I got plenty of time on my hand, I might do this often. Only if I'm allowed. So, yeah. Because I remember when I was, long time ago, when I was single, yeah, I had to cook. And yeah, I teach myself how to cook. Again, I'm cooking for 3. So early on, I already cooked the rice. The rice is ready to go. And yeah, now I just have to cook the main course. Yeah, I'd like to say hello to my brothers. My brother Wes. He's, he had a bit of an accident. We went and visited him yesterday. And yeah, he was on his way out fishing. Unfortunately, I didn't have any gear because it was raining. So I didn't have any gear to get changed into. So I didn't want to take the risk. Because, you know, when you're old, you can get sick easily. You catch things easily. So I didn't want to take the risk. And so I didn't go. Maybe next time we'll have a plan. So I just cooked this down for a little bit, you know, to get the blood and thing out. Boil the yucky bits out. Again, thank you for watching. Because without you guys watching, we won't be doing this. So thanks. We appreciate you guys watching and your fellows' comments. So it's all good. Thank you very much. I hope that we'll be able to put out something good for you guys to watch. Welcome back everybody. I prepared most of the, except the garlic. I think I should do it now.
Carefully.
Yeah, so it's a nice garlic. So you know, this garlic is not in, I thought it's in cloves, but this whole thing is one garlic. It's like one.
Is it?
Yeah. Look,
Show it to me.
it's one whole garlic.
That's one giant garlic.
Yeah.
That's kaki kilo.
Each bulb.
Oh, look at that.
No wonder I went flying, because the whole thing is one garlic. Chop off my garlic. Amateur.
It'll make it easier for you to chop.
Yeah, sorry, kawa pia poko. Yeah, if I'm an expert, I look at the camera all the time, but I might take my eyes off here next minute. No fingers. Oh, come and record this, Daddy. Okay, this is our meat. Yeah, so it's browning a bit. Dip some of the water out. Now we add our onion and garlic. Give it a stir. Yep. Potato and carrot. Yep. Yep. Now, just cook the flour a bit and then we add the coriander. Done. Thank you for watching. And yeah, can't wait to do another cooking. As long as my maid is sick, I'll cook as much as she like. Yep, that's it. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me and putting up with me. And as you can see, the cooking is done now. So my wife said that you guys enjoy my cooking. But I enjoy your company, and yeah, I'll cook some more if my wife Let me cook some more, no problem. So, take care everybody, and we will see you the next time. Ia kai kia mai kia tau na matata tau mau. Areo ki te me kare karai, tino ora ki rātau. So, thank you mo te poa mai tina i te nene iang. Hopefully next time a mea mai ki rai mai ki roro mai. Anyway, ka kite.
There it is, guys. I appreciate my husband making this curry. So I'm just going to give it a taste. Have a bite, guys. I've already said my prayer. So now I can start eating. See? I'm going to have to make him cook us some more, eh? Very nice. My husband's gone down to the shop. He wanted to get him a calculator. He could have asked me. I can figure things out. It's very nice. Thank you for hanging out with him, guys. My husband got his thrills when he found out that you guys all like his cooking. The first one. So when I was reading him the comments, he really loved it, eh? Like, he was getting like starstruck. So he said to me, I'll cook some more if you want, darling. I thought, is that a promise? Okay. I'm not going to say no. Take care, guys. Thank you for all your love and your support throughout the years, the months. I don't know how long you've been with me throughout my journey on YouTube. But thank you to the old and the new, and hopefully the present. But gratitude to God for always taking care of us. Because without God, guys, God will always be there if we count on Him. Okay, but behave yourself. Wait well. Take care, guys. Fa soifua. I'm going to eat my food, edit my other video, and dye my grays one day. Man, this is nice. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Take care and God bless.